So much fun. We're only 13 minutes away. It's a private house, this one, so let's just see how we go. Wow. That's it, all the way at the very end. That's the house that has the gates from the movie. Right on the edge of the coastline. What a beautiful spot, man. It says private road, so it's a little bit, you know, and ahhing whether you go down, but there's like 10 Google reviews of this place. And people said just head down, and some people have met the owner and the owners showed them around, so it's worth trying, you know. Bro, what a sick spot, man.
Yeah, very cool.
I'm hoping that we can meet someone. That's what I'm hoping. Wow. I'm hoping we can meet someone here. That's the goal. Someone that wouldn't mind us, like... There you go, garden car park. We'll park here. Those were the gates just there on the left. Here it is, lad. What a spot. So if you don't recognize it, from the 2012 movie Skyfall, they were going to use this location as the guy drived in, Mr. Bond, to their sort of mansion, but I believe they didn't end up using the location, but they used the inspiration from the gates and they rebuilt a cottage for the movie, like a movie set. So epic. Just the amount of effort into the carvings, huh? I wonder if they're real antlers. Eee. Yeah. So many cute dogs in this country. You got a beautiful coat, don't you? Beautiful coat.
But yes.
You love it. You love a good pat. It's your dog? Yes. Yeah. She's gorgeous. Beautiful coat. The black is really nice. It's like a silk black.
She's a big girl. Yeah, she's a big girl.
Yeah. So you can stay in the cottage, like Airbnb kind of thing, or just...
Yeah, I mean they rent out 4 cottages. This one, that one just takes 2.
Yep.
Sort of honeymoon suite.
Yep.
And then you came past the other 2.
Yes.
You drove up.
Yep.
Mother Brown's is where we usually stay. That's arguably the nicest.
Yeah.
It's got the best view, certainly.
And that's obviously a private house.
That's
Yep.
Duntroon Castle.
Yep.
Yep.
There he is, Mr. Bond, mate.
Like Charlie's Angels.
Bro, they're proper beautiful, bro. Like,
the coppers sort of running down.
do you reckon they're real antlers? That's what I was thinking. Or are they just
I
cast?
reckon they're metal because that's where the
Good observation.
colour is running down.
They're not real antlers?
No,
Metal?
they're
Copper.
Copper or something?
yeah, copper, yes.
They're really shiny when
A lot of the stuff around here was originally at Portalla, which is the big country house that was abandoned in the... When you drive back,
Yeah.
go to halfway down the drive, have a look to your left,
Uh-huh.
on the long straight, after the last cottage, you will just be able to make out a large country house.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a ruin, but it was abandoned in the early 50s.
Yep.
And even 70 years later.
Poltac?
Portalla.
Yes,
Yeah.
Portalla. I've got it on the maps.
Yeah.
It's a good one to check out.
Well, you can get up there to the church,
Yeah.
but don't go too close to the house because it might collapse on you.
Yeah, that's the one I got on my maps
Oh, yeah?
next. Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you say it? Poltalla.
Portalla.
Poltalla.
Yeah. Which was
Yeah.
well the then laird Neil Malcolm
Yep.
who I think had made a lot of money in sugar in the West Indies.
Oh,
He
wow.
remarried a woman who obviously had ideas above her station. So they had to build this house, which they probably didn't use for. I mean, you know, they were basically London-based.
Yeah, right.
Like everybody else. But of course, the Queen Victoria made it very fashionable to come to Scotland for the summer.
Yeah.
So they probably used it for 2 or 3 months of the year.
Wow.
It's a massive house.
Yeah, right.
It's worth Googling.
Yeah.
There's quite a bit about it.
Some good history about it.
And eventually, it was all after the Second War. It was just too much. You couldn't get the staff, or you couldn't pay the staff, or whatever. So they had to take the roof off in order to avoid paying late.
Yeah, I heard that's what they do here.
To the castle.
Yeah, so they take the roof off because then it's not livable.
Yeah, then it's not
so
livable.
So there's no livable tax.
Eventually it collapses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
But
is
there's
beautiful
still-
with the lighting.
There's still the church up there, which is effectively a private chapel, but is the Scottish
Ah, it's still up there.
Episcopal Church, and it's still in commission.
Ah, cool.
So
Yeah, we'll check that out.
it's worth a look.
It's not a problem if I back the car in here for a
No,
photo.
not a problem
Yeah.
at all.
Sweet. Thank you very much.
They're all getting younger. That's the trouble.
Yeah. Well, the worst one I had, like, someone guessed I was in my late 40s. Yeah.
That is.
Wow, man. Wow. I mean, that's like cinematic history, you know?